myself Kushal Singh. Today we will discuss about the phagocytosis. First of all, we will discuss about the introduction of phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is a specific form of endocytosis, and it is refers to the process of engulfment and destruction of solid particulate materials by the cells. And we can say cell performing phagocytosis is mainly known as the phagocytes. There are three type of cells mainly. First, neutrophils, second, monocytes, and third one is the macrophage. Now we will discuss about the phases of phagocytosis. There are seven phases of phagocytosis. First one is margination, second one is emigration and diapedesis, third one is chemotaxis, fourth one is opponization, or we can say that it is attachment stage. Now fifth one is engulfment stage, sixth secretion or degranulation stage, and seventh one is killing or degradation stage. Now we will discuss the first stage, which is known as the margination. Now you can see in the animation blood cells are flowing, and now the neutrophils get attached to the endothelium by its certain binding agents, like for example with the carbohydrates. Now you can see that they are rolling process occurring, and they are bind to each other. Now we will talk about the second process, which is emigration or diapedesis. Now you can see in the animations the neutrophils are going inside the cell, and this entering of the neutrophil inside the cell is known as the diapedesis. Now we will talk about the third process, which is known as the chemotaxis. Now you can see in the animation the neutrophils are attracted towards the chemical factors, and the chemical factors are bind with the neutrophils.
Opsonization or attachment stage. Here in the illustration we can see C3b is attached to the C3b receptor by the process of opsonization. Fifth step, the engulfment of ingestion. Here in this illustration we can see the engulfment process.
The last two phases of phagocytosis are as following. Sixth, degranulation or secretion stage. In this stage, when the bacteria is fully engulfed by the neutrophil, lysosomal enzymes are being released into the vesicle to digest the bacteria. The seventh stage or the final stage of phagocytosis is known as the killing stage or the degradation stage. In this stage, after the formation of phagolysosome, the bacteria is unable to reproduce itself and is dead after 10 to 20 minutes of indigestion, or we can say digestion.